Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Gonna do another painting here for you today using one of these little dollar store flat canvases. I'm gonna be painting using this little pack of golden paints that I got off of Amazon. If you're interested in picking this up for yourself, I'll put a link in the description down below. The colors included in this pack are yellow medium, titanium white, red light, ultramarine blue, green, permanent green light, and Mars black. And for the inspiration for this painting here today, I'm doing this guy. He's a doodle that I did a while ago. Kelly came across him in one of my old art books, so she said, you should use him in one of your paintings. So I'm going to try to feature him in this little painting today. So yeah, so here we go. I'm going to get started with drawing basic template using my Zebra Delgard mechanical pencil. I really like this pencil. It's really durable. It doesn't break easily. So I'm just going to give just a basic outline of where I want some things to be. I'm painting I'm going to have this little guy. I assume he's like a merman type of thing. He has like little fins on top of his head. But he's a sad merman, so I'm going to have him overlooking a little pond because he's afraid to go swimming, and so that's going to be sort of the inspiration for this painting. I'm going to start by blocking in some of the little lakeside water here. Using a mix of the green and the blue to get sort of a swampy looking water color. Adding in a little titanium white to just brighten it up a little bit. So here I'm using a mix of the red, yellow, and white to try to give the look of some sand, a little bit of a sandy beach before it hits the water. Now I'm going in with some blue and some white, and I'm just going to paint in the backdrop here a little bit, the sky, peeking in through those, what will be a couple trees here and there scattered around. And I'm just, before I get too far into that, I want to just get a quick outline of my little merman. Just blocking him out, not looking for details yet. I'm going to go back and add some more backdrop coloring. Going in with a finer brush just to get a little closer to the body so I don't have to try so hard to, so it doesn't bleed through if I use a bigger brush. I'm using a real fine brush here. Just giving it a quick blow dry. so I can move on to the next layer here. I'm going with a little bit of yellow to just add a little bit of different color variations to the sand. It was a little bit too solid for me, so I wanted to go just get a little bit of texture on there. And I'm going to put in some shrubbery in front of my little merman. He's going to be standing back amid the shrubs, overlooking them, gazing at the pond and wondering why he can't go in. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and add some trees in the background. This little lake, it butts up against a sort of a little forest. I'm putting in some light colored trees. Going with a little bit darker, brown colored hue to just bring out the trunks a little bit better. And just darkening up the branches on those trees. So now I'm going to go in and start filling in the foreground with the bushes. I kind of had a hard time with these bushes. I left a little bit too much white space between, underneath here, so I had to, got a little bit muddied in my opinion. And I started getting too close to the color of the merman, so I had to go in and change that up a little bit. Here I'm going in with a little bit of a lighter shade of the green to help the merman stand out a little bit better. Gonna go back in and dry it a little bit. So now I'm just just going to put in some more of the details on the merman, just using a little fine brush to get in his little prongs on the top of his head, just giving him a little bit of an outline so he stands out better. His little arms. I'm going to go in using the bottom side of the brush to get his little eyeballs and his little sad mouth. He's very elusive, so he can slip easily into that shrub and disappear when other people are around. Now I'm just going in here and adding in a little bit of color with some red little flower pops, red and yellow. I'm just using the knife here to give some illusion of waves crashing into the shoreline there. So there we go. There you have it. That's my little guy, inspired by a doodle that I did many years ago. So I mean, I'm gonna do more paintings with this guy. We'll have to see how it turns out. But I liked how this one did. You know, it's on a small canvas. It was a challenge, and I like how it turned out. I wish I could have done the trees a little bit better, but other than that, yeah. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, I'll be doing some more painting soon, and I'll be having some more movie reviews and some book reviews heading your way too. So that's what I have. So have you guys a good week, and take care. Bye bye.